So it's official. Charli XCX and Taylor Swift are beefing. I mean, if this video is not the indication of that, then I don't know what else to tell you. Previously, we talked about Charli XCX and Taylor Swift and how Taylor Swift's newest album is a song in there. I forgot the title, but it's basically there's a lyric in that song that this is Charli XCX, and people are obviously not people are noticing that obviously, and there's been a big reaction on Twitter. And then I suppose Charlie is not just sitting down waiting. He's she's apparently replying. Let's listen to this video. Yeah, I don't know what that sound is, but it sounds scary. I mean, yeah, people are rightfully speculating that Charlie is releasing basically a Euphoria or a Meet the Grahams, which, if you guys don't know, is the song titles from the Kendrick Lamar beef between him and Drake. And yeah, it looks like we have a Drake and Kendrick Lamar situation. Like, yeah, but with, Charlie and Taylor Swift. It's obvious, bro. It's obvious. And the cheeky caption as well. Like, and this is the important part, right? Who is the Kendrick Lamar and who is the Drake in this instance? But I think you guys can figure that out yourself. I think that's pretty obvious, right? So which one is which?